Much like demand for mechanical keyboards, loved by typists and gamers for their precision, durability, and value. Standing desk mats have gained popularity among office workers and home users who prioritize comfort, ergonomics, and productivity. This guide evaluates the top standing mats based on list number. LG Zook Thick Anti-Fatigue Mat, 20 inch by 47 inches, 3/4 inch thick, perfect standing desk mat, double-sided anti-slip technology. The LG Zook Thick Anti-Fatigue Mat is designed to offer maximum support for long hours at a standing desk. Measuring 20 by 47 inches with a 3/4 inch thickness, it provides a generous surface and plenty of cushioning to reduce fatigue in your legs and feet. What stands out is its double-sided anti-slip technology, ensuring the mat stays put on any floor type. The high-density foam construction feels durable yet soft, and it resists wear even with daily use. It's easy to clean and water-resistant, making it a good choice for offices. List number: Erggohead Anti-Fatigue Kitchen Floor Mat, Comfort Standing Mat, Portable Office Standing Desk Mat. The Erggohead Anti-Fatigue Mat strikes a balance between portability and comfort. Its compact size makes it easy to move between workstations, kitchens, and laundry areas. The ergonomic design promotes better posture and reduces pressure on feet, knees, and back, making long-standing tasks more comfortable. The mat features a textured, non-slip surface that feels secure even on smooth floors. It's made of durable, eco-friendly materials that are easy to clean and maintain. Lightweight, yet supportive, this mat is perfect for those who want anti-fatigue benefits without committing to a large, heavy mat. Great for home. List number: Pout F1 Anti-Fatigue Standing Desk Mat with rolling massage ball for office, kitchen, garage, and laundry. For those seeking something innovative, the Pout F1 Anti-Fatigue Mat delivers a unique experience. Beyond its thick cushioned surface for fatigue relief, it includes a built-in rolling massage ball that stimulates your feet while you stand. This helps improve circulation and keeps you more active throughout the day. The mat is crafted from eco-friendly, durable materials with a non-slip backing for stability. Its size and shape make it versatile enough for the office, kitchen, garage, or laundry room. List number: Anti-Fatigue Kitchen Mats for Floor, Gray 9/10, Extra Thick Cushion Standing Desk Mat, Comfort Memory Foam. This gray anti-fatigue mat stands out for its plush thickness, almost a full inch, 9/10 of soft memory foam. Ideal for those who prioritize maximum cushioning. It feels like you're standing on a cloud. The mat provides superior support and helps alleviate pressure points in the feet, legs, and lower back. Its textured surface prevents slips, and the neutral gray color blends seamlessly with most decor. Durable and easy to wipe clean, it's a fantastic choice for standing desks, kitchens, or even craft rooms. List 5. comfilife Anti-Fatigue Floor Mat, 3/4 inch thick kitchen mats for floor, standing desk mat, kitchen rug. comfilife is a trusted name in ergonomic support, and their anti-fatigue floor mat lives up to the reputation. With 3/4 inch thickness, it offers optimal balance between softness and firm support, reducing stress on joints during long hours of standing. The mat is made from high-quality materials that resist stains and punctures, and it's easy to clean. Its beveled edges prevent tripping, while the non-slip bottom keeps it firmly in place. Whether you're in the kitchen, at a standing desk,